So we would like to go over home loans that require you to only put 3% down or 1% down or little amount down, less than 20%, because at 20% you can avoid PMI, you can do all these great things. So let's talk about some things that you can do in order to get a home mortgage without having to put a whole bunch of money down because you don't have the liquid asset. So Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are probably the most common. I'm sure you've heard of them. They only require 3% down, but they ask that you have a strong credit. And by strong credit, I mean 620 or better. So this is something that you should talk to your lender or your real estate agent about, or your wealth management officer at the bank, and talk to them about whether raising your credit score or creating a larger liquid asset savings amount is better for your chances for a home loan. So, another thing is that Fannie Mae's Home Ready Mortgage Program allows 97% loan to value ratio. So that means the loan can be 97% of the value of the home, if that makes sense. If you need more explanation, I can go over that on a one-to-one basis. There are individual lender programs. They use the Fannie Mae and the Freddie Mac, but they also add additional assistance benefits for the down payment. So, for example, the Wells Fargo Dream Plan, it allows for a 3% down for borrowers at or above 80% area median income requirements. Tongue twister. So let me say that again. So the Wells Fargo Dream Plan home mortgage allows for 3% down for borrowers at or above 80% area median income requirements. This is great. This is a great thing, but there's some things that you need to be aware of as opposed to government. Individual lender programs have some stipulations in regards to repayment options, forbearances, what happens when times are tough. So those are some things that you really need to consider. Jumbo loans, those are for people that can afford that 10 to 20% down, so I won't go over that. That's mostly for people that have credit scores of 700 or higher and can put 20% down. But those are for jumbo loans. Those are things that are outside of the normal conventional, non-conforming conventional loan parameters. The next one to go over this is government insured loans. So unlike government conventional loans, this is government insured loans, and this is the FHA loan. The FHA loan requires you to put as little as 3.5% down, and it requires a minimum credit score of 580. So this is better for people that have that lower credit score and lower liquid asset amount. So FHA approved lenders also will consider borrowers with non-traditional credit reports. So that requires something like a bank statement or a Sears card report, but you cannot have in the last 12 months any kind of credit collections, such as medical bills or credit cards or anything like that. You can't have any collections, and you have not missed a rent payment in the last 12 months either. So they do require that you remain consistent with those on-time payments, but it's their way of proving that you are responsible with your finances. For veterans out there like myself, we get the VA home loans. That is 0% down. Such an amazing way for our country to thank our veterans is that we don't have to put any money down for our homes. It's amazing. And if you're a veteran, reach out. I would love to hear from you. I always love hearing from other veterans. So yes, and I can go over that more if you want to reach out. USDA loans. The USDA loans require, they're the agricultural loans. They guaranteed to make home ownership possible for low-income buyers in rural areas nationwide. These loans require no money down for qualified buyers, as long as properties meet this USDA's eligibility rules. There are some down payment assistance programs. You can go to the first time home buyers programs and stuff like that. So there is another one. It is the HUD, the Housing Development Bureau. The HUD programs provide down payment assistance programs. So this is some things. If you need help saving up money for a down payment, I have an accounting degree and I'm always willing to help my clients and getting their home ownership goals met within a year. So I aggressively tackle some budgets so that way we can actually get you into a home as soon as possible. So if you have any further questions regarding real estate, if you know anyone wanting to buy or sell real estate, or if you want to buy or sell real estate, contact me, Sarah Hurst, Exit Realty, Bitterroot Valley, also homesbyhurst.com, and I'll be happy to help you as soon as I can. All right, thanks everybody. I look forward to reaching out and talking to you soon, okay? All right, bye.